welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, as you see, I'm actually getting some fresh bell pepper seed from right here. This is real fresh bell pepper seed right here. I'm getting my seeds them together. So this is nice fresh bell pepper seed you see here. This is a lot of seed from one plant, right? A lot of seed from one plant. We also have, so we have lots of seed. Over here, if you notice, we have these Eddoes. I leave them outside, a little rain wet them, and you see they start sprouting. Pretty easy to sprout. These you can put them in the ground now. Like if you're in zone 6, not zone 6, zone 8, zone 9, you can put these in the ground. They're gonna sprout up really nice in the spring. You also, like for instance, you could ting the top right here. Okay? You could ting this top and you could put this in the ground and you could cook this part. You see? So now you cut this off. Put these in the ground, these goes in the ground, and this you can cook this one. This is so right now I'm actually preparing these for someone. I'm giving someone these, but this is how they start sprouting from the top right there. This you could cut this in a few pieces and you could put all of them in the ground and all of them gonna sprout. You see? Yeah, these are Eddoes. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. For the one. Okay.